Welcome to another episode of Serene Shelter. Today, we're set to unravel some intriguing bedroom design secrets that might even leave the pros scratching their heads. Picture this: your bedroom, not just a space for slumber, but a personal sanctuary that reflects your style, your passions, and your dreams. In this episode, we'll guide you through this transformative journey. We'll delve into innovative design tricks, reveal the art of space utilization, and explore the magic of color coordination. By the end of this episode, you'll have a toolbox of design hacks at your disposal. And what's more, you'll be able to apply these tips not just to your bedroom, but to any space you wish to transform. So buckle up for this exciting journey of transformation, because by the end of it, you'll be well on your way to turning your bedroom into a serene shelter. Dive into the world of innovative design tricks that can make your bedroom look like it's straight out of a home decor magazine. The beauty of design lies in its ability to transform, inspire, and create entirely new worlds within the confines of four walls. One of the most effective and often underused design tricks is the use of mirrors. Mirrors aren't just for reflecting your beautiful self. They can create an illusion of space, making even the smallest of bedrooms feel airy and spacious. Positioning a mirror to reflect a window can also allow for more natural light to fill the room, creating a bright and vibrant atmosphere. And speaking of space, let's talk about wall-mounted shelves. These can be your secret weapon in the fight against clutter. Wall-mounted shelves free up floor space, making your room appear larger while providing ample storage. And they're not just functional, they can also be a statement piece that adds personality to your room. From a minimalist floating shelf to a rustic wooden piece, the options are endless. Another innovative trick is to use a statement piece of furniture or art to draw the eye. This could be a bold, oversized headboard, a piece of wall art, or even a striking light fixture. This focal point can set the tone for the rest of the room and make it feel more cohesive. Lastly, don't forget about the power of textiles. A fluffy rug, a cozy throw blanket, or a set of luxurious curtains can instantly transform your bedroom from drab to fab. Remember, it's all in the details. With these tricks, your bedroom can become a masterpiece of innovative design. Let's explore how to master space utilization in your bedroom. The key to a well-organized and comfortable bedroom lies not just in its design, but also in how effectively we use the available space. First, let's talk about multi-purpose furniture. Pieces that serve more than one function. A bed with built-in drawers, for instance, provides you with extra storage without taking up more floor space. A wall-mounted fold-out desk can double as a workspace during the day and a vanity at night. Next, let's move to the corners. Often overlooked, corners can be a goldmine for space-saving opportunities. A corner bookshelf or a corner hanging rail can help you declutter and keep things organized. Now, onto wall space. Walls aren't just for paintings or photos. They can be used to install floating shelves, hooks, or even a vertical garden. This not only saves floor space, but also adds a unique touch to your bedroom decor. And remember, the goal is not to fill every inch of space. It's about striking a balance between storage and open spaces, maintaining a sense of spaciousness. Mastering space utilization can make your bedroom a cozy haven instead of a cluttered mess. It's all about thinking creatively and making the most of what you have. So, are you ready to transform your bedroom? Now, let's delve into the magic of color coordination. Ever wondered why some rooms just seem to feel right? The secret often lies in a well-coordinated color scheme. It's not just about choosing your favorite colors, but about finding a harmonious mix that enhances the mood and aesthetic appeal of your bedroom. So how do you go about choosing the right color palette? Start by considering your room's natural light, size, and the mood you want to evoke. Lighter colors tend to make spaces feel larger and brighter, while darker hues can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Now, on to the balancing act. Achieving a harmonious look involves using different colors in the right proportions. A popular method is the 60-30-10 rule. 60% of the room in the dominant color, 30% in the secondary color, and 10% in an accent color. This creates a balanced look that's pleasing to the eye. Remember, your bedroom is your sanctuary. It's a place where you start and end your day. The colors you choose can have a significant impact on your mood and energy levels. So, go for colors that resonate with you and create a soothing, restful environment. With the right color coordination, you can transform your bedroom into a visually pleasing sanctuary. That brings us to the end of our journey through bedroom design hacks. We've unveiled some secrets, explored innovative design tricks, mastered space utilization, and delved into the magic of color coordination. Try these hacks and witness the transformation in your bedrooms. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these hacks. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more such informative content.